Welcome to Cyber Tools. In this video, I will be showing you how to manage and install Python libraries. Let's begin. If you are wondering what a Python library is, don't worry because I will be explaining it. Basically, if you have ever run a Python script before, you probably have seen the beginning start with something like import time or import requests. Well, those are because those two are very important for your Python scripts, and they will help your Python scripts run more efficiently and have less code. So basically, what does it mean when you're typing import? Well, basically what it means is it's getting the code that someone else wrote and basically using it in your own script. So there's someone that wrote the whole code for requests and someone that wrote the whole code for time. So then it would be easier for you to use that in your own scripts. But you might have come across an error before where you come across an error that says module not found. What this means is that the module is not installed. But don't worry, I will be explaining how to install these Python libraries. So what you're going to do is type pip3 install and then whatever module you would like to install that's not already installed. Alright guys, if you were going to follow along with this video, then you can install matplotlib with me, but if you're not, that's alright. You can install whatever you want and go off with your business. But if you're following this tutorial, just install matplotlib. It's most likely not already installed on your computer, so just try out this command. Hit enter on this, and it will go through the downloading process so you can use this in your scripts. So it downloads all the components that you need to run or to download this module. It might take a little while, but it's worth it, and don't worry, it doesn't take up that much space. So if you're worried about that, it's not that much. And again, it's worth it. You can use it in your Python scripts, and mine is successfully installed now. So what we're going to do is we're going to type nano python intro.py. You can do this from any directory. If you do it from certain directories, you might need to do sudo nano. It's best practice to just do sudo nano. And basically what sudo does is it gives you admin privileges so you can edit your nano however you want without being told that you're not allowed to. So now hit enter on this and you should open up a brand new file. And in my case, I already have edited this file, but in your case, you probably haven't edited it yet, so that's okay. Basically, you're going to want to type what I typed. So, from the matplotlib, import pyplot as plt. Well, what does this line actually do? Well, basically what this line does is from a certain module, it imports a submodule from the module, and then it renames the submodule. So basically, pyplot is now called plt. Now we are defining the x and y variables, and we are plotting the x and y variables and then showing them. If you do not understand this part of code, that's okay. That's not what I'm explaining right now. I'm just explaining this part so you guys know what it means. Click Control X and it should save. Once you're done with that, type sudo python3 python intro.py and hit enter. Alright, so it pulled up a white page here and it plotted the points exactly how we wanted it and connected it And so that's perfect. We have this nice GUI here, even though these buttons don't work, which I have no idea why, but that's not what we wanted. We got our figure, and you can also rename this figure, but that's going more into deeper than what I'm talking about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and know how to import and install Python libraries. Just to quickly wrap up this, if you guys do not remember how to install Python libraries, it's pip3. And if you guys want to import them, when you're in your scripts, type import and then the module name. If you want to rename them, then you just type import matplotlib or whatever module you're importing, and then as m or whatever you want to rename it as, and then you can reference your module as that renaming. This is just a basic tutorial of Python libraries, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.